When complex stormwater projects stall, cost overruns and delays follow. The root cause is often a lack of specialized expertise. Instead of expanding payroll, expand capabilities. AXA Engineers offers strategic outsourcing with advanced hydrologic modeling and civil 3D specialists. This video demonstrates how this partnership model allows firms to overcome technical roadblocks, ensuring projects stay on schedule and within budget by leveraging focused, external expertise as a competitive advantage. Even highly experienced civil engineering firms encounter critical stalls in stormwater design, often due to technical blind spots that are becoming increasingly common across the industry. The conventional project workflow assumes an in-house civil engineering team can manage all facets of site development effectively. This model holds true for many aspects of a project, from grading plans to utility layouts. However, this assumption breaks down when projects face the complex and constantly evolving landscape of municipal and federal stormwater regulations. These updated codes no longer accept simplified calculations. They demand specialized hydrologic and hydraulic (H&H) modeling that proves a design's compliance and performance under rigorous conditions. A frequent scenario illustrates this breakdown clearly. A project engineer, proficient with Autodesk Civil 3D for standard site design and basic pipe networks, is tasked with developing the stormwater management plan. The project, however, is located in a jurisdiction requiring dynamic, multi-event hydrologic modeling to demonstrate system performance during 2-year, 10-year, and 100-year storm events. The engineer's tools, while effective for many tasks, may not be equipped for this level of sophisticated simulation. The resulting design can appear sound on the surface, but prove non-compliant or hydraulically inefficient when reviewed against the specific performance criteria mandated by the permitting agency. This initial design flaw triggers a costly domino effect across the project lifecycle. The submitted plan is rejected, halting progress immediately. The rejection forces the design team to divert attention to revisions, pulling billable hours away from other active projects. Project managers must reallocate funds to cover these unplanned engineering hours, causing budget overruns. Most critically, repeated revision cycles introduce delays that push back construction start dates and threaten the project's financial viability. The issue is not the general competence of the team. It is a distinct gap in specialized expertise. Many capable firms simply do not have personnel with daily mastery of advanced AXANH software that extends beyond the standard functions of AutoCAD and Civil 3D. This gap goes beyond software proficiency. It includes a deeper understanding of the nuances of modern stormwater management, accurately modeling interconnected drainage systems, integrating low-impact development (LID) features like bioretention cells and permeable pavements into hydraulic calculations, and performing long-term watershed impact analyses to meet increasingly stringent environmental standards. Faced with these demands, project managers are left with difficult decisions. They must either invest heavily in expensive software and specialized training, a process requiring significant time and capital with no guarantee of success, or halt project progress indefinitely while searching for external expertise. The technical challenges that cause most in-house teams to struggle are rooted in these advanced hydrologic modeling requirements. Tasks such as dynamic rainfall simulation, which models runoff changes over time, and detailed pollutant load calculations needed to prove compliance with water quality standards, are often beyond the capabilities of standard software configurations without specialized modules and experienced operators. Ultimately, the source of project failure is not the dedication or skill of the personnel, but a critical misalignment between available in-house expertise and the escalating complexity of regulatory expectations. What if the solution to project delays was not found in reactive problem-solving, but in a proactive strategic partnership designed to prevent issues from ever arising? The conventional perception of outsourcing frames it as a reactive measure, often seen as a last resort for managing workload overflow or as a means to access lower-cost labor for commoditized tasks. This view positions outsourcing as a tactical fix rather than a strategic asset. AXA Engineers fundamentally reframes this concept, operating not as a task executor, but as a strategic integrated partner. This transformation is achieved through the implementation of a robust quality management system, or QMS, and the development of project-specific standard operating procedures, known as SOPs. These documents are not generic templates. They are meticulously crafted in collaboration with the client to ensure every action aligns directly with their business objectives and technical requirements. This initial alignment creates a foundation for a partnership that anticipates challenges rather than just responding to them. Instead of simply waiting for design files to be assigned, AXA Engineers employs a dual-team model that operates across 2 shifts, enabling a proactive analysis of the project's potential risks before the formal design process even commences. This follow-the-sun approach ensures continuous progress and alignment with the client's own working hours, facilitating seamless, real-time communication. This operational structure is populated by specialists with, on average, over 15 years of direct experience in the U.S. civil engineering industry. To further enhance this expertise, AXA invests in immersive training programs, sending engineers to the U.S. to work directly at client facilities, ensuring they remain at the forefront of evolving industry standards. Leveraging fully licensed, advanced HE&H modeling software, this team runs preliminary simulations to identify potential hydrologic conflicts or constructability issues that would likely cause regulatory rejection later in the process. This front-loaded analysis examines the project's core parameters against the specific jurisdictional codes and performance standards that will be used for the official review. The findings from this proactive analysis are not simply compiled into a report. They are communicated directly to the client through a dedicated project manager. This critical communication step serves as a preventative control, flagging potential design flaws before the client's in-house team invests significant time and resources into a concept that is already non-compliant or inefficient. This transparent communication process is supported by the use of cutting-edge platforms for real-time project updates and secure file sharing, which ensures a seamless integration between AXA's specialists and the client's own project team. It fosters a collaborative environment where information flows freely and decisions are made based on a complete and early understanding of the project's technical landscape. Furthermore, recognizing that intellectual property is a primary concern in any partnership, AXA employs comprehensive data security measures and stringent anti-leakage protocols. These systems are designed to rigorously safeguard all client data, mitigating one of the key risks historically associated with traditional outsourcing models and allowing clients to engage with confidence. AXA's proactive problem-solving strategies directly prevent the costly and time-consuming design revisions that derail so many projects. This is accomplished by implementing a rigorous, front-loaded quality assurance process that moves the quality control function from the end of the design cycle to the very beginning. The system is designed to identify and resolve potential regulatory and technical conflicts before they are ever committed to the official design documents, a method that effectively eliminates the entire revision loop that is the primary source of budget overruns and schedule delays. This transforms the act of outsourcing from a simple transaction into a powerful and sophisticated risk mitigation strategy that actively secures project timelines and protects financial forecasts from unforeseen technical complications. The critical difference between a stalled project and a successful one is not the expansion of payroll, but the strategic expansion of capabilities. Partnering with a specialized firm like AXA Engineers is not an admission of an internal gap. It is a decisive business strategy implemented to gain a competitive advantage, mitigate project risk, and ensure design excellence. By engaging AXA Engineers, firms access a preemptive quality assurance framework and advanced modeling expertise that protect timelines and budgets from project inception.